Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate Calendly with Microsoft Outlook. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the simple process of finding the Outlook integration inside Calendly and then completing the setup using the on-screen prompts. This integration can make scheduling more convenient by helping your availability and meeting workflow connect more smoothly with Microsoft Outlook. To begin, open your browser and go to Calendly. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed into your account so you can access the available integrations and apps without interruption. Starting from the main Calendly area helps ensure you're in the right place before moving into the setup process. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Integrations and Apps. This section is where Calendly keeps its supported tools and add-ons, and it's the best place to find services that connect with your calendar and scheduling workflow. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry, because the next step will help narrow things down quickly. In the search area for integrations, type Outlook. This will filter the list so you can find the Microsoft Outlook-related option much faster. Searching directly is especially helpful if there are a lot of integration choices visible on the page. When the results appear, click on Calendly for Outlook. This will take you to the specific integration page for the Outlook connection. From here, you'll usually be able to review the integration details and move forward to the installation or connection process. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that you've selected the correct Outlook option before continuing. After that, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Depending on your Microsoft environment, this may include opening the Microsoft Marketplace page, choosing to install or add the app, signing into your Microsoft account, and granting the necessary permissions. Read each prompt carefully as you go so the integration is set up correctly. If your organization manages Outlook Access, you may need approval from an administrator before the installation can be completed. As a helpful tip, keep both your Calendly account and your Outlook account open and accessible while you work through the prompts. That can make the process smoother and reduce the chance of getting signed out in the middle of setup. Once you finish the on-screen steps, your Calendly and Microsoft Outlook integration should be ready to use. That's it for this guide, and you should now be set up to continue scheduling with a more connected workflow.